Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna discuss about Foreach function in PHP. So let's see, this is a Foreach function in PHP. So first of all, we write a Foreach, that is a keyword in PHP or language construct in PHP, and inside the parentheses, first of all we'll write the name of the array, and second is here is also another keyword that is named as s, and after that I write here the name of the variable that will be array element, and after that here will be a body of this for each loop. Now let's see that this is an array that contains some values in it. Now this is a for loop that I have used in previous tutorial to display all the values inside an array. So in this for loop we have to mention, or we have to write a count variable that we use to control the index of the array. Now here is a for each loop. By using for each loop we don't need to write the index number of an array. Now let's see that I'm gonna write here for each function to display all the values contained by this array. So I'm gonna write here for each, and inside this I am going to write here the name of the array, that is array, and I'll write here as keyword, and after that I write the name of the variable, for example item, and inside the body of this for each loop I'll use echo statement to display all the values on the web page. So here I'll write the name of the variable, that is item. After that I'll use a break. Now I'm gonna save the file, and you will see that all the values in this array will be displayed on the web page. Now I refresh the page. You can see that all the values are displaying on the web page. By using for each loop we don't have to write index number of an array. So this for each loop will display all the values. So this will be the name of array, and this will be a variable. So first time when this for each loop will be executed, so the first element of this array will be assigned to this item variable, and using the echo statement it will be displayed on the web page. And the second time the second value will be assigned to this item variable and will be displayed on the web page. So this process will be for all the values inside the array. Now I'll make it inside comment. Now let's see, this is a two-dimensional array that is named as fruits, and inside this array here is a fruits and flowers. So I'll use for each function. I'm going to teach you that how we can use for each function to display all the values contained by a 2D array. So let's see, I'm going to write here for each function or for each language construct. So I write here the name of the array, that is fruits as, and here I'll write here, because it is a 2D array so its method will be something different. So here I'll use nested for each. So I'm gonna write here key equal and greater than operator, and after that I write here the values or elements that are in the array at the particular key. So in this for each loop I'll use a nested for each loop to display the values contained by a 2D array. So I'm going to write here these elements will be written here. So I'm going to write here element as, and here I'll write a single value or item. So this is a nested for each loop. So first of all I'll display the key to display that, for example a flower, fruits or flowers. So this will be a key. So I'll display this value on the web page by using this variable key. So I'm going to write here the name of the variable, that is key. So I'm going to write here. Also I'll use here break. Now inside the nested for each loop or inner for each loop I write here echo statement to display all the values on the web page. So I'm going to write here the name of the value or variable that is here. So I'm going to write here value, and in the outer for each loop I'll use echo statement and break. Now I'm going to save the file, and you will see that all the values that are contained by this fruits 2D array will be displayed on the web page. So I'm going to refresh the page. So undefined variable element, so here is a spelling mistake or $sign missing here. So open notepad++. So sorry, here is a spelling mistake elements. Now I'm going to save the file. I'll also use here some spaces. Now I'm going to save the file and refresh the page again. Now you can see that this is a fruits array and the values are orange, banana, apple and pear. Similarly here is a flower array that stores rose, sunflower and flower iris. So I'm gonna make here some white spaces. So I'll use here a white space. Now I'm gonna save the file, again refresh the page. Here you can see that these are values on the particular keys. So first key is fruit and the second key is flower, and the values on these keys are these, you can see. So hopefully guys you have understood about for each loop, that how we can print the values of the array using for each loop. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.